Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm Susan. And is everybody in today? Computer? Then, Please? Brenda? Okay, I can see everybody is in today. So, I'll begin by asking how many of you here are practicing agriculture at home? Maybe you're growing maize or beans or even vegetables. Anyone? Wow. The rest you're not doing agriculture in your agriculture students. Please make sure you practice agriculture. It's really good, especially for us young people, okay? So today we are going to cover our unit of competence is produce annual crops. And then our session data is prepare planting materials. Prepare planting materials. Can everybody see? Anybody seated with your window completely open? Open. Okay. So our learning outcomes will be identify different types of planting materials. Identify. Planting materials. And also describe ways of obtaining planting materials. So for those of us who are doing farming, what are you growing? For example, Francis, what are you doing? Yes. Okay. Somebody else? Which vegetables? Okay. Anyone else? Anybody growing onions, potatoes? Nobody. Nobody. Okay. Let's continue. So we are going to see different types of planting materials. I'm going to share with you some images here, and probably you can identify them by telling me what they are. Okay, have a look at that image, and then once you've identified it, you can just tell me for 30 seconds. Have you checked it? Okay, let's start from here. You can show them and tell the details. We have seeds. Okay, these are seeds and they are packaged. You can see they are packaged in a very nice package, and they are certified. You usually know they are certified if you see this code, you scratch it and send, it will tell you if it's certified or not. So always make sure that when you're buying this seed, you check if it has this code. You scratch it and send it. It will tell you if it's certified. If it doesn't bring the message back, just know it's not certified. So you don't buy that one. Next one.
I have this image. It's a plant in a glass jar.
Okay. Yeah, that is tissue culture. Is there anybody who has ever seen tissue culture? Anyone? This is tissue culture. It is usually whereby a plant is grown within a lab, but there is no soil. It is either a glass or an area where there is no soil. And it is usually practiced in cafes. If you have ever gone to cafes, or maybe you can plan to go there, they do tissue culture a lot. It is also this one. This is also tissue culture. You can see it is just, there is no soil. Okay? The next one.
Tuber.
Tubers. But yeah, that is tuber. It is grown. Tubers are, you take a potato and you put under the soil. Okay? The next one.
The stem.
Okay, that is stem. Can you explain to us? Okay, you take the most healthy part of the plant, you cut it, and then you transplant. Okay? Okay. Are we together? Okay. Any question? Okay, let's go to ways of obtaining planting materials. I want you to be in groups of at least 3 or 4 and discuss ways of obtaining planting materials. Then I will ask each group to give at least 2. Okay? I think that's enough. What have you come up with? This group?
Like cuttings, tubers, rhizomes, bulbs.
These are examples. I'm saying ways of obtaining, how to get the planting materials, okay?
You can obtain it from the current plant, like for suckers, you take the ones which are current plant.
Yes. Good. An example?
For example, bananas.
Yes, bananas. You can go and take the ones that are grown up beside the main plant. Okay? Another one?
You can also borrow from nature if they have certain species which you need.
Yeah, true. You can also do exchange. You can borrow from them and also give them what they do not have. Another one?
Certificate sources and candidates.
Yes, you can purchase from certified seed suppliers like seed. Another one?
Open community gardens where you sell the seeds which you previously planted.
Yes, good. Another one? Yes, you can buy from the market. Yes, good. That is good. I can see you know them very well and you understood them well. Is there any questions so far? Any question? Okay. So,
Is it necessary to do tissue culture in the lab or I can do it at home?
tissue culture cannot be done at home. It is usually done at the lab because the reason behind the lab has special equipment for that purpose, and also there's also a controlled temperature for the plant to germinate. So you just can't do it at home. Just to be done in and not all the labs. Just special labs for that work, and also special organizations that carry out the tissue culture vetting. Yeah. Thank you, that is good. Any other question? Any? Okay. So I think have you understood well today? Yes. Okay, so this is my follow-up activity that I would like you to go discuss as we prepare for the next lesson next week. I have discussed major factors. Major factors. The farmer must consider. So I'll be collecting the assignment on our next lesson. Okay, have a nice week.